Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. So I have pistachios with me. There's two. See, we have these with us. So let's see what we can make with these. So let's see what we can make out of this earthen pot. So I made some flowers out of these pistachio covers. Let's use some of these colors and add magic to my earthen pot. So let's start making. So I have my earthen pot here. This is a very old pot. I'll be using this pot. Now I will color my pot with my acrylic colors that you can see. I'll be using 3 colors, that is red, orange and brown. You can use just any color of your choice. Now I'll blend the 3 colors together to give it a different hue. Now that I have enough color to paint the entire earthen pot, let's start painting. So once I'm done painting my earthen pot, I'll set it aside to let it dry. So in the meanwhile, I'll start making my flowers. So I'll be using all my pistachio covers to make these beautiful flowers. The ingredients that I would be using are pistachio covers, few pearls and double-ended tape. So let's start making the flowers. I'll be using double-ended tape first. Cut it. On these I will be putting the pistachio covers in the form of flowers. You can cut the ends if you want. So this is how my flowers look like. So we can repeat the same process to make as many number of flowers we want to. You can even paint the flowers if you want to, but for my video, I'll keep them natural. So now that my pot is dry and ready to be used, so let's start sticking the flowers onto my earthen pot. Sticking these flowers to my pot is very simple. I would just remove the other end of my double-ended tape and stick them to my pot. So see how I stick them one by one in a line. So I'm going to repeat this process to stick some more flowers. You can stick them in any arrangement of your choice. So now I would be adding some more flowers to this section. So this is how it looks like right now. You can either have this kind of arrangement or some other arrangement of your choice. So this is how it looks like after I'm done. I've added few more pistachio covers to give it a plump look. So now these flowers look more gorgeous. You can also give it a wet honey look, just like in this picture. So I've tried to give it a wet honey look that you can see, and for this I have used some glass paint. These are the two shades of glass paint that I have used. And now I will show you how I just used it to give it a wet look. I've just dropped some glass paint on my earthen pot and magic. This is how it is. So this is what I made out of pistachio covers. Hope my friends enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.